Welcome to Windows 8 channel, and we will be checking how to connect a Bluetooth device and pair a Bluetooth device to your computer in Windows 8. Now, unfortunately, Bluetooth is a little touchy, and in Windows 8 it is sometimes a little more touchy than usually should be. But you will want to pair at some point probably a device. Very often these are keyboards, mouses, and maybe even game controllers. Here we will try to match and actually show you how to pair a device using a laptop and a tablet computer together. First thing you need to know, do you have Bluetooth on your computer? It's very important to check that out. A lot of people don't understand that Bluetooth is not standard on computers. A lot of computers don't have it. If you want to make sure you got Bluetooth before you try, one of the first things you can check for is maybe in the taskbar you can check for a little Bluetooth icon like this one here. You can also go into the start button at the bottom left, right click on it, go into your device manager, and there you should see Bluetooth, and under Bluetooth you should see that you have a device. It's very important. A lot of laptops don't have Bluetooth. It's surprising, and I just don't understand why, because it's just so cheap to implement. If you don't have Bluetooth and need Bluetooth, well, the good news is it's very cheap to add Bluetooth to a computer. There are these little Bluetooth dongles that you can actually add to any computer. And these dongles, to give you an idea, my computer that you're actually watching here, the screen, did not have Bluetooth. I bought a USB dongle on Deal Extreme for $3. So it gives you an idea that you can really have Bluetooth for almost nothing. Once you know you have Bluetooth, the second thing you'll need to do, and you'll need to know how to do, is to make sure your device is in discovery mode. Now, every device, a mouse, a keyboard, a computer, a controller, has what we call discovery mode, which is basically your device sending radio signals on Bluetooth saying, hello, I'm here, can you see me? And it's very important because there's a way to do that. So very often you'll have to check the manual, and it will tell you how to put the device in discovery mode. Once you know how, and once you put the device in discovery mode, go into your search on the start screen or in the charms bar in Windows 8 and just type Bluetooth. There you'll see Bluetooth settings. So make sure that you click there, and you should see your device starting to search around it for other devices. Now, it can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. I've seen, Bluetooth devices take as long as 3 or 4 minutes before a computer sees it, which is really, really horrible. It shouldn't be that bad, and that's probably one of the biggest flaws, I'd say, of Windows Bluetooth devices and Bluetooth devices in general. There's a lot of problem with Bluetooth that, unfortunately, even though they've put the Bluetooth versions up to 3, and they're trying to work and making it faster and better, it's still complex, and it's still something that's really annoying. So as you see here, it's searching. I just put my tablet in Bluetooth mode, and discovery mode, if you want. So eventually these things are going to see each other, and you see it's long here, so be patient on your end, because it can be long on your end too. But once it is working, you'll have the device show up on the screen of your computer, and you might have a little bubble pop up, so be ready to click the bubble. Here we go. Laptop ready to pair. Here we go. Now you have a PIN number. You have to say yes to make sure that things match and the PIN number matches between both devices. If it works, you'll see that there's a little progression, and it's going to say connected at some point. When that happens, it means that now you have done successfully a match of your computer with your Bluetooth devices. It's very important to check that out and make sure that it's working. Once you actually have that matched, all you have to do is use your device for whatever you want it to do. So if it's a keyboard, if it's a mouse, just use the device. One thing that is important, if you have a device that's not a device that is paired through numbers like you've seen here, you might actually be asked for a PIN number that you don't have. And if you are asked for a PIN number that you don't have, most of the time it's 0. So either 4 or 6 digit zeros, just zeros. So a lot of devices will be used like that and will be required to have a PIN number entered, and like I said, it will be basically just zeros. So that's pretty much how you pair devices, and once that's paired, all you have to do is simply to use whatever the device you have with your computer. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a feature or maybe a problem with your computer, let us know also. And hopefully you've paired and matched your devices correctly and it was successful. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. You know what? Try it again. Just shut down your devices and restart detection of your devices. It sometimes is a little tricky, and I've seen devices that I've used that took 2 or 3 tries before it actually worked. So hope you enjoy the videos. Bye bye.